Our area covers a broad range of courses from financial services, accountancy, retail and supply chain management, as well as our new course in fashion business.
All my life I've had a huge interest in logistics, about how things move from A to B and the transformation process. So when I saw there was a full-time course available for supply chain management, I thought it would be perfect. Supply chain management is the entire process from turning raw materials into finished products for customers and then getting that finished product to the customer and then the aftercare that is involved with that product. So it's the entire process of creating, delivering and servicing the product. We're really lucky to have industry professionals make time for us, and with the connections that the college has, we're always getting new people to talk to us and share their experiences of how they've reached top level management and how we can do the same going forward.
Financial services is not just focusing on the maths side of it. There's a lot of factors taken into consideration. So here we study economics, customer care, we study managing people in organisations. We also study how to use Microsoft Excel and stuff like that, databases, and of course there is maths.
I am a former student who did HND accounting. Currently, I work in the film and TV industry. I was approached straight out of college, so when I finished my HND accounting, I went straight to work for a TV show, and my career has just went on from there. So the college set me up the foundations of what I'm doing now. It's not chartered accounting, it's more management accountants, and I do payroll within the film industry. That's what I kind of specialise in. And City of Glasgow College teach you a bit of everything, so you can probably have a better idea when you finish your course what area you want to go further into.
I would advise someone who wants to apply for accounting finances that people say that is maths heavy. It's not. You don't need to know algebra or anything like this to be, really good at accounting. You just need the basics, plus, minus, divide, and everything else is done on a calculator. So if you have the passion to work in an industry which is hard work also, but it's a lot of socializing as well, don't be afraid of thinking that you need quantum mechanics to excel in accounting. You don't.
We aim to deliver relevant experience in industry. We want our students to progress not only into industry from our HND programmes, but also to move up to higher education where there's huge possibilities. So we have an articulation pathway into university and we celebrate that. But we also recognise that many job opportunities are arising from some of the courses that we are currently doing, supply chain management being a great example of that, where we've seen an increase in the amount of students who are going directly into employment because of the demand of that particular industry.
The most important thing to consider when applying for the supply chain management course is go in with an open mind. There's so many different parts to supply chain management, so you'll always find one that you like most. There's a huge amount of opportunities there and you'll always have a job at the end of it.
My dream is to go into investment banking or financial data analysis. I think studying financial services will help me, as it's really good to know that you have the support and a lot of resources that you need here to help you really decide on what career is best for you. I know it's helped me a lot with picturing what my dream job is.